Hello my dear students of class 8, very good morning and assalamu alaikum. I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Jawar Rahman, assistant teacher of Maths, Milestone School and College, branch sector 14, Uttara, Dhaka. Today I am going to discuss interest or profit of exercise 2.1. But at first I would like to discuss the formula. Learning outcomes, a student will be able to explain the formulas and explain the rate of simple profit and solve the related problems. Here this profit exercise 2.1 and online CW number 6. Okay, so just first we have to know this formula I is equal to PRN. But what is the details of this I is equal to PRN? I is equal to interest or profit. I is equal to interest or profit we can write. Okay, and P is equal to principal and R is equal to rate of interest or rate of profit. N is equal to number of year or time. Okay, this formula first you have to know this one I is equal to P or N, and two number is A is equal to P plus I, that means amount. A means amount, P means principal, I means interest or profit. This formula, only for these two formula, if you know or if you memorize this one, just you will get all type of formula here. So from this one we have written another formula. So that means if I write I is here, so that just A is here and P will be minus. Okay, that means if I take P in the left side, then it will be minus. So I is equal to A minus P and P is equal to A minus I. That means amount is equal to principal plus interest. So like this way, if you want to find the principal, suppose here given, when given interest and rate of interest, okay, and time, okay, at that time you have to find this by using this formula, you can find the principal. But in another question, suppose there is no interest here, okay, there is no interest, only given the amount and rate of interest and here given time. At that time you have to use this formula, then you can find the principal. So for finding the principal there are two formula here. Okay, so first one you can find this principal is like this way by using this formula and by using this formula. This one is when given the amount, not principal. Okay, so here given the amount, so at that time you have to find like this way. A means amount, R means rate of interest, N means time. So like this way you can find the value of also N and also R by using this one. So 7 number we can write like this. Suppose if you want to find the N, so N is equal to what? Just I by PR, just write like this. And 8 number if I write, if you want to find the rate of interest, what will be? So I by PN. Okay, only for these two formula I have written this all formula. So first you have to know this one I is equal to PRN and A is equal to P plus I. So by using this formula, today we have to solve some maths. So let's see. Hello my dear students, now today's topic is profit and exercise 2.1. And today we have to solve problem number 17. The profit principal for a certain period of time is 5,600 taka and the profit is 2 by 5 of the principal. If the percentage of profit is 8 taka, so find the time. So if you want to find the time, so you need principal. But here given the profit principal and percentage of profit, and here given also profit 2 by 5 of the principal, but there is no principal. So first we can check this, let principal be P. So here given, now write just given A is equal to, that means profit principal is denoted by A, so that's why you can write given A is equal to 5600 taka. Okay, so I is equal to what? I means interest or profit. I is equal to here I, profit is 2 by 5 of the principal. So just write 2 by 5 of principal means p, already we have taken p, so it will be 2p by 5. So we know the formula. If you want to find the principal, p plus I is equal to a. Okay, that means principal plus profit is equal to profit principal. This is the formula. So now put the value of p. P means the principal is p, there is no value of p, so we have to place, and I is equal to 2p by 5. So just place 2p by 5, and a is equal to what? 5 6, that means 5600. Okay, now we have to find the, that is just simplify this one. So LCM will be 5, so it will be 5p plus 2p is equal to 5600. Okay, so now 5p plus 2p, it will be 7p by 5 is equal to 5600, or we have to find the value of p, so just write p here, and this number 7 by 5, if we take in the right side, so which one is division? Okay, if I take in right side, it will be multiplication, and which one is multiplication with p, it will be divided. Okay, so 5600 into this 5 is division, so if we take in right side, it will be multiplication, just write 5, and this 7 will be division. Okay, so just cut this one, 7 800 are 5600. Okay, so 5 8 are 4000. Okay, this taka. So therefore we can write this one, principal is equal to 4000 taka. Now we got the principal. So how do you find the principal? So now we can get the profit, because profit is equal to I is equal to 2p by 5. So now we can find the easy way to find this one. Otherwise you can subtract from this one, 5600, subtract this one, then you will get the also profit. Now we have to find the time. Now what will you do? Just write again here, p is equal to what? Already got p is equal to 4000. Just write here again, p is equal to 4000 taka, and I is equal to what? You can subtract also, 5600 minus 4000. Okay, taka is equal to what will be? That means 0 0 6 and 1, this taka. Okay, so I is equal to this one, and here given percentage of profit is 8%. So that means you know the percentage of profit is equal to R, that means 8%, or you can write 8 by 100. Okay, and we have to find the time. So what is the value? That means time is denoted by n, that means number of year. N means number of years, so n is equal to what? So we know the formula, I is equal to p r n. Okay, so now we have to find the value of n. So n, if I write here p r n is equal to I, or n is equal to I by p n, just write the value of this one. I is equal to what? Now I is equal to this one, 1600, and p is equal to what? P is equal to 4000. Just write here 4000. R is equal to here I have written R here. So R is equal to 8 by 100. Just we can cut this one. So this one, if you cut, then it will be 40. Okay, so 40, that means 1600 by 40 into 8. Okay, so now this one make it less from, so 40 into 40, it will be 1600. So just 40, so 8 5 are 40, so this one is 5 years. Okay, and that means we are finding the time, so n is equal to 5. So therefore we can write time, or n is equal to 5 years. Students, have you understood? I hope you understood. Okay, my dear students, now we have to solve creative question 19 number. A fruit seller bought some bananas at the cost of 36 taka for 12 pieces from Jeshur, and taka 36 for 18 pieces from Kustia. So he bought equal pieces of bananas both from Jeshur and Kustia. His salesman sold the bananas at taka 36 for 15 pieces and what was the cost price of 100 pieces from Joshua. So now here given the Joshua, from Joshua actually he got 12 pieces bananas and the rate is 36 taka. That means the 12 pieces cost price is 36 taka. So what will be the 1 and what will be the 100 pieces? It's very easy. So now we will solve first a number question. So now from Joshua first you will write from Joshua the cost price 36. So the cost price of one piece, that means it will be 36 by 12. So therefore the cost price of 100 pieces, we have to find the 100 pieces bananas. Okay, so what will be 36 into 100 by 12. Okay, now make it less from just divide by 312 for 36, so 300 are, okay, 300 or 300. Okay, this one is the answer. So 100 pieces, 100 pieces bananas is taka 300. Now dear students, now we have to solve number B. Here given, if the salesman sold all bananas, how much would be profit or loss in percentage? We have to find in percentage. Okay, so just in different place the cost price is different. So first we have to find from Kustia and Joshua. Okay, so now from Joshua the cost price, what would be the cost price from Joshua? Cost price of how many pieces? 12 pieces. Cost price of 12 pieces, 12 pieces banana is taka 36. Okay, is 12 pieces banana is taka 36. Okay, so what will be the cost price of one piece? So 36 divided by 12. Okay, that means taka 3. That means 3 12 are 36. So it will be taka 3. Okay, now from Kustia we have to find the cost price. From Kustia, so from Kustia, what is the cost price? 18 pieces is taka 36. Okay, 18 pieces of taka 36. So just write cost price of 18 pieces banana is taka 36. So the cost price of one piece, what will be? 36 by 18. It will be taka 18 toward 36. So it will be taka 2. Right. So from Joshua the cost price of one pieces is 3 taka, and from Kustia one pieces is 2 taka. So total 1 plus 1 2 pieces cost price, what will be? 3 plus 2 taka, that means 5 taka. So total cost price of of 1 plus 1 or 2 pieces banana is taka 3 plus 2 is equal to taka 5. Okay, taka 5. So now what is the total cost price of one pieces cost price? So 5 by 2 taka. Okay, 5 by 2 taka. That means the cost price of one pieces banana average. Okay, from Joshua and Kustia, one pieces bananas cost price is 5 by 2 taka. 5 by 2 taka. Okay, now we have to find the selling price. What is the selling price here given? If the salesman sold the bananas at taka 36 for 15 pieces. Okay, so now write the selling price again. Selling price of So what will be the selling price of one bananas is 36 by 15. What will be? It will be 312 per 36 and 3 fiber 15. So it will be taka 12 by 5. Okay, this one is selling price. Now we'll check actually the cost price is 5 by 2 taka, selling price is 12 by 5 taka. Is it loss or profit? So if I divide this one, suppose 5 by 2, you will get 2.5, right? 2.5, and if you divide 12 by 5, it will be 2.4. That means selling price is less than the cost price, so obviously loss. Okay, so this one is loss. So now right, we'll find the loss. So loss is equal to, so when it is loss, so actually we have to find this cost price 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 minus 12 by 5. Okay, now taka 5 to a 10, LCM will be 10. Now 2 5 5 5 25 minus 5 to a 2, so 24. This one so will be 1 by 10 taka. Okay, 1 by 10 taka. That means this taka is loss. So actually, when if you want to find the loss or profit, always it is calculated on the cost price. So what is the cost price here? The one piece bananas cost price is 5 by 2 taka. So that means out of 5 by 2 taka, loss is this taka. So we have to find the percentage. In percentage means out of 100 taka. So in out of 5 by 2 taka, now we will write out of 1 by 10, right? So out of 1 taka loss, obviously 1 by 10, and this one is the fraction, right? So this denominator will be the numerator. That is, if we divide by like this, divide, when you find this 1 at that time, it will be divide. So 5 by 2 or 1 by 10 into 2 by 5. So now if you want to find the out of 100 taka, what will be out of 100 taka? That means just right here 1 into 2 into 100 divided by 10 into 5. Okay, so just 10 10er 100. Okay, 5 2 are 10, 2 2 are 4. So this one is the 4 taka, right? So out of 100 taka, 4 taka is loss. That means out of 100 taka, 4 taka is lossless. So obviously we can write loss is equal to 4%. Okay, this is the answer. Now solution of C number. So if the fruit seller want to make 25% profit, what would be the selling price of 4 pieces of banana? So first we have to find the cost price of 4 pieces. First we have to know the cost price, right? Because if you want to find profit or loss, always you have to know the cost price. Okay, so first we have to find the cost price of 4 pieces banana. So from B we got, from B we get cost price of one banana. Cost price of one banana is taka 5 by 2, right? Cost price of one banana is taka 5 by 2. From B we get this one. So just write, so the cost price of what will be the 4 bananas? Okay, what will be the 4 bananas cost price? So taka 5 into 4 by 2, that means 2 2 are 4, 5 2 are 10 taka. Okay, so it will be the cost price of 4 banana. Cost price of 4 banana is 10 taka. So if you want to make 25% profit, that means selling price, now 25% profit, at 25% profit, if you want to make the profit 25%, so 25% profit, that means out of 100 taka, selling price is 125 taka. If the cost price is 100 is taka 100, then selling price is, the cost price is 100 taka, then selling price is 25% profit. That means price is taka 100 plus 25, that means taka 125. Okay, so if the cost price is 1 taka, 25% profit, that means if the cost price is 100 taka, selling price is 125 taka. So here given, so what will be the selling price of 4 pieces banana? So 4 pieces bananas already we have got the 10 taka, so 1 pieces bananas is what will be, so 125 by 100 taka. So the 4 pieces bananas is 10 taka, so we have to find the 10 takas cost price, that means selling price. Okay, 10 takas selling price, what will be 125 into 10 by 100. So just make it loss from, okay, so that means if we divide by 125 divided by 10, it will be 12.5 taka. Okay, it will be taka 12.5. Okay, so what is the cost selling price of 4 pieces banana? The 4 pieces bananas selling price will be 12.5 taka, or 12 whole 1 by 2 taka. This is the answer of C number. Now my dear students, now we have to solve CQ number 20. A principal is turned to an amount in 3 years. Here amount means profit principal. So amount in 3 years of taka 28,000 and in 5 years of taka 30,000 at simple interest. Now we have to in a number question using the symbol in details. Using the symbol, that means you have to use the symbol and also details, that means write the formula for principal. B number question, find out the rate of interest or profit. C number, how much principal should be deposited to get the amount of 48,000 at the same rate of interest in 5 years. In 5 years. Okay, now here given, first we will solve number A using the symbol of details, write the formula for principal. So you know principal means, so principal actually P is denoted by principal. So in details we can write P is equal to principal. P is equal to principal. Okay, P means principal or capital also we can tell. And I is equal to what? I is equal to interest. Interest or profit we can tell. Interest or profit. N is equal to what? N is equal to time or number of years. N means number of years, number of years or time. Okay, then R is equal to what? R is equal to rate of interest, rate of interest or profit, or profit. R is equal to rate of interest or rate of profit, or profit percentage, that means. Okay, so we have to know, that means we know the formula, that means I is equal to what? So we know I is equal to P and R. P and R. So now we have to find the, we have to write here in simple, that means in A number, using the symbols in details, write the formula for principal. So we'll find the formula, that means principal. So or we can write P and R. P and R is equal to I, or P is equal to I by N R. That is P means principal. If you write if you write in details, P means principal. That is principal is equal to interest. So just write here interest or profit. Interest interest or profit, n is equal to time and into r is equal to rate of profit or rate of interest, rate of profit. Okay, rate of profit. Okay, this one is the details formula of P. That means if you want to find the principal, we have to use this formula. P is equal to I by NR. Okay, so principal is equal to interest divided by time into rate of profit or rate of interest. We have to solve question number B. Here given the principal is turned to an amount in 3 years of taka 28,000. That means this one is the profit principal. Okay, in 3 years, and in 5 years profit principal will be 30,000. So profit principal means principal plus interest or profit. So we can write here. So we have to find the profit first, otherwise we can't find the rate of interest because we need profit. Then after finding the profit, then we need also principal, but only here given the profit principal, and here given the time, only time and profit principal here given. So we have to find first interest, then we will get the principal. So just write principal plus 5 years profit. That means profit in 5 years, profit in 5 years, total how many is equal to 30,000. Just write here 30,000. Okay, 30,000. Now the first one, that means 3 years. So here given also principal plus profit in 3 years. Okay, 3 years is equal to 28,000 taka. Now we have to subtract, then sign will be changed. Okay, sign will be changed. So this principal we can remove this one. So profit in 5 years minus profit in 3 years. So what would be the remaining part? Profit in 2 years, profit in 2 years is equal to 2,000 taka, right? So we are finding the profit. So profit in 2 years is 2,000 taka. So what will be the profit in 1 year? So therefore profit in 1 year is equal to 2,000 divided by 2. So we are finding the profit in 5 years or 3 years. That means here given in 1 year, you can find also 3 years or 5 years. Okay, if I find the 3 years, what will be? So now find the 3 years. 20,000, 2,003 by 2. So just 1,000. So it will be 3,000 taka. So profit, that means in 3 years profit in 3,000. But if you want to find in 5 years, it will be also correct. Okay, so profit is this one, time is this one. Okay, so if profit is this one, we have taken in 3 years. So in 3 years profit principal is this one. So if I subtract profit from profit principal, we get principal. So just we will find the principal now. Principal is equal to 28,000 minus 3,000 taka. So what will be? 25,000 taka. This one is the principal. Okay, now principal, that means principal means P. So now given P is equal to here 25,000 taka, and N is equal to what? N is equal to 3 years. Okay, so I is equal to what? I is equal to, I means profit, that means 3,000. Just write 3,000 taka. Okay, now we have to find the R, rate is equal to what? So we know we're using the formula. So I is equal to PRN, or PRN is equal to I, or R is equal to I by Pn. Okay, now put the value of this one. So I is equal to what? 30,000. Sorry, 3,000. I is equal to 3,000. P is equal to what? 25,000. Okay, then N is equal to what? N is equal to 3 years. Okay, so now we'll if I make it percentage, so that's multiply by 100 by 100. Okay, so now this one just divided by 25, and this one will be 3. Okay, then 3 1 are 3, 3 1 are 3, then 25 4 are this one, so it will be 4 by 100, that means 4%. Okay, so rate of interest is equal to 4%. Rate of interest, so rate of interest is equal to 4%. This is the answer of B number. My dear student, now we have to solve C number. And how much principal should be deposited to get the amount of 48,000 at the same rate of interest in 5 years? At the same rate, that means in B number. So from B we get rate, means we know R is equal to 4%. 4% means 4 by 100. Okay, we can make it Lois from also. So 4 1 are 4, 4 25 are 100, so 1 by 25 we can write. And given here A is equal to, A means amount, how much principal should be, that means this amount 48,000. Amount is profit principal, that means A is equal to 48,000 taka here. Okay, and N is equal to what? 5 years. N is equal to 5 years. Okay, now we know the formula P plus I is equal to what? A, because A amount is equal to principal plus interest, so we can write this one. Okay, so now P is equal to P plus I is equal to what? I is equal to PNR, right? PNR is equal to A. Or if I take common P, it will be 1 plus NR. So 1 plus NR, okay, is equal to A. So or we are finding the value of P. So just P we have to take in this side, and this 1 plus NR we have to take in the right side. So obviously this one is multiplied. Okay, P and 1 plus NR. Okay, so we have to take in the right side, it will be divided. So is equal to A divided by 1 plus NR. Now we have to place the value of A. A is equal to 48,000. Just place the value of 48,000. Now 1 plus N is equal to what? N is equal to 5 years. Just place 5 into R. R is equal to what? That means R is equal to, we got 1 by 25. So 1 by 25. Okay, now just cut this 5 are 25. So what will be? That means 48,000 by 1 plus 1 by 5. Okay, just we will write here 48,000 divided by just 5 plus 1 divided by 5. It will be 48,000 6 by 5. So if I write like this way, 48,000 by 6 into 5, right? Just we can write like this way. So 6, 8, 100 are 8,000, sorry, 6, 8,000 are 48, and 5 8 are 40 this taka. So the principal is 40,000 taka. Okay, so the principal, so P means principal, principal should be deposited, or P is equal to 40,000 taka. This is the answer of C number. Now already you have solved all maths, so I hope you understood this maths. Now we will give to solve this maths. What is the simple profit of taka 5,000 in 5 years at the rate of simple profit of 10% per annum? Per annum means per year. Okay, so now we have to solve this one. Now your time is start. Now time is finished. Now I have to solve. Now check your answer. So now here given solution, given P means principal of taka 5,000. This taka is the principal. Okay, and N is equal to 5 years. Right, and at the simple profit, that means R is equal to 10%. R is equal to 10%, or 10 by 100. Find the I is equal to what? That means profit. So we know I is equal to P R and this formula, right? So just place the value of P. P is equal to what? 5,000. R is equal to what? 10 by 100. So 10 by 100 into N is equal to what? 5 years, right? Just write 5 years. So now solve this one. So 10, 10 are 100, right? So just like this one, 10, and this one we can cut this one, it will be 500. Okay, now just multiply 500 into 5. So 5 5 are 2500. This taka. So the simple profit is I is equal to this taka, 2,500 taka. Okay, now have you understood this maths? It's very easy for you now. Already different types of maths you have already solved. So my dear students, in this class, if you have any problem, please ask your subject teacher in Zoom class. So today's is W number 6, problem number 3 and 20 of exercise 2.1.